At P2, we believe your land software should enhance your day-to-day work experience and not detract from it. Information should be served and not sought. And it is in this spirit that we are thrilled to showcase an example of well-down automation with P2 Workflow. Workflow cases are automatically created and added to a queue when a well stops producing, allowing your land team to quickly make a recommendation, giving your drilling engineers the maximum amount of time to make decisions. Workflow also works for you by bringing how long the well's been down, production charts, related leases, provisions and dates, allowing everyone to work on the same page, literally. After land has made its recommendation, an email is automatically sent to the engineer with land's research and a hyperlink for him to add his response on what the plans are for the well. Based on the recommendation, the land team can then change any statuses or process shut-in payments. Having all communication and data from production and land in one place ensures that nothing will fall through the cracks.